A common question from homeowners when searching for a new garage door is, do I need an insulated garage door? Here's the 5 main reasons why it can be a good idea to install a new insulated garage door instead of a non-insulated garage door. 1. Garage door insulation saves energy. Adding insulation to your garage door can help you save energy. By moderating the temperature in the garage, you're reducing the amount of energy required to heat the rest of your home. 2. Insulated garage doors are more durable. Many of today's insulated doors are made with a steel or aluminum frame. The frame is filled with solid core insulation, which is then sandwiched between single or dual steel panels. This style of construction creates a lightweight, energy-efficient door that's less likely to dent than older, uninsulated doors. 3. Insulated garage doors are quieter. Insulated doors tend to make less noise because they're more tightly constructed than other doors. Because each panel is made of layers of material sandwiched tightly together, there's less loose material to make noise. And because they're often heavier than uninsulated doors, they're less likely to jolt or vibrate on the track. 4. Insulation helps to protect your car and belongings. That increased temperature that insulation provides can also prolong the life of other items. Those cans of paint in the corner of the garage. Extreme heat and cold can change its consistency. It will become unusable more quickly than if it were in a temperature-controlled space. The same is true of many fertilizers, cleaning supplies, and motor oil. 5. A warmer garage is more convenient. Many people use their garages for more than just parking their car. If you work out in your garage or use it for hobbies, an energy-efficient door makes sense. Keeping your garage warmer makes it easier for you to do occasional activities in it. Call Brand Garage Doors today for a free estimate on a new insulated garage door.